Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this PAX wardrobe frame. I'll show you how quick and easy this is going to be. There's really not a lot for me to say here. This is all kind of self-explanatory. I always like to give the adjustable part on the bottom of these a little turn before I put them in. I'll show you here. Just like that, because they're screwed in there pretty tight. You may need to adjust them later. These are the little locking tabs. You're going to be surprised at how easy all of this is. Make sure you fit it in all the way before you push down. Sometimes you do need to grab those and wiggle them in a little further for everything to fit. There you go. These are the locking tabs for the front. They fit in just like that. If you can't get them in, then that board isn't pushed down far enough. And a wooden dowel pin in each of the front. Next, I'll show you how to get the top on there. It's just pretty simple. Make sure all the holes are pointed down and the unfinished side is to the back. And this is how I do it with my right arm. I'm going to put some pressure on the back and make sure that it stays out while I'm inserting it. And then move to the other side. Give that a push on both sides. They do suggest that you put these on before the top, but it does make it a little trickier to put the top on. So I like to do it now. Those are the retainers for the back. So you put them in sideways and then spin them around and push them up into the top hole. Now we're going to get the metal wall brace put onto the back top. Now in the instructions they do that in a different order as well, but this is the way I prefer to do it. I find it much easier. So this combination here is going to hold that metal bracket to the wardrobe, and it's also going to give a spot for the plastic covers to attach to. You'll see that in a minute. You don't want to tighten those up just yet. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Whoops. And just keep that one loose as well for now. Now before we mark the spots on the wall to drill holes for the anchors, we're going to lift this bottom back out and actually level the unit. We'll get you a little closer first. So all four of those corners are adjustable with the little Allen key that you received with it. In this circumstance, I only needed to adjust the one corner. And this is how you do it. And this is why it was a good idea to turn those adjusters before you installed them, because they're in there pretty tight and it might be a little tricky with just the Allen key to get them going. But ideally you want to turn all of those adjusters until they're hitting the floor once the unit is level. So now we can mark our mounting spots on the wall. And we'll carefully slide that unit out of the way for a minute. And now we'll hammer in the supplied anchors. And we'll put the wardrobe back in place. Those are the supplied screws. And just like that, now you want to tighten up each corner Apparently I didn't record that, but you want to tighten up those other screws. Make sure everything in there is tight, and then we put the caps on. That's what it looks like. Hopefully this helped you today. If it did, like and follow. I'd appreciate it.